I think these terms you have all read or seen, but can anybody tell me what is prototype? The class 12 physics students, those who had physics, they can tell what is the difference between prototype and a model, right? You have studied this in physics. Then there are terms like IPR, patent and copyright. IPR stands for intellectual property rights. Then we have patent and then we have copyright. What is the meaning of these things? What is an IPR? What is a patent? What is a copyright? So IPR actually stands for intellectual property rights, as I said. Suppose you have an idea, you told it to one of your friends. Next day, what does your friend do? He steals your idea. Then what happens? He makes use of that idea, maybe earns thousands, lakhs and crores. Your idea is gone. So that is protected by IPR. Suppose you have invented something, you do the patent, that is known as patent. Then you have copyright. Copyright is mostly it implies to the movies, songs and videos so that nobody can steal it. Now see here how the technology over the years from the very beginning of civilization has changed. From the figure you can see it is very clear how the early man used to have tools made by stones. Then he tried to use cattle. Then from cattle, invention of wheel, which was very important for mankind. Then more technological advancements. Then we had tractors. Then you can see this is the invention of the tractor for farming. Then slowly, nowadays, there is the possibility of unmanned or tractors or vehicles that are not driven by humans. After the advancement of AI, now this can be done using remote control. So creativity leads to engineering solutions or innovations, which leads to invention or the development of a prototype. Then you can register your idea or invention. Then it becomes your intellectual property. Then what it can lead to is startup and entrepreneurship. Now see here, in November 7, 1981, the first patent for a modern zipper was filed.